Hola, Peperinos!
Hey, what's happening?
Welcome to another episode of the Disney Beams. I'm Sherry.
And I'm Gooch.
And Josie's in there watching Disney Junior.
Yes.
As always. So,
well, she's been playing a lot lately.
She has been playing a lot.
Her imagination is starting to really kick into overdrive, so
yeah,
all of her little action figures that she has, they end up lined up in front of the castle to watch fireworks.
Yeah, it's
pretty awesome.
So cute. So as she was saying, we have, 5 days?
5
From
days.
the day we're filming this video, 5
We're
days.
filming it on Tuesday. We leave on Saturday.
No, we leave on Sunday.
Well, we arrive on Sunday.
We arrive on Sunday, but we're not leaving on Saturday.
We're not leaving on Saturday. Okay, well.
Well, we can if you want to, but we'll have to figure something out.
Our first day at the resort, so Monday?
At the resort, yeah. We're staying off property and going to Disney Springs on Sunday.
On Sunday, okay.
So yeah, I was like, whoa, you know something?
Well, I mean,
Anyway.
So I have an extra day to pack. Okay.
Yeah. I need it, really.
Yeah.
I haven't even touched anything.
Neither have I.
But anyway.
We did laundry.
We did do laundry. Which
You
we'll
didn't
probably
even know all that.
Which we'll probably have to do.
It's a little monster.
Okay.
It is funny.
It is funny.
You're silly.
Okay.
All right. Okay, baby girl. Go ahead. You're silly.
Watch Disney Junior.
All right. So
anyway,
the reason we're here.
So why are we here?
We are here because
we have a box.
We have a box.
What's in the box?
Look at the Darth Maul on the box.
So hold it up a little bit more so they can see.
Smuggler's Bounty.
Smuggler's Bounty. So if you're unfamiliar with this, we do this every other month. Josie, okay.
See, baby girl.
We do this every other month. It's from Funko Pop. Is that correct?
Funko.
Funko.
Yep.
And their pop figures.
Not Funko, but Funko.
Funko, whatever.
I was being silly.
It looks like Funko. I mean, come on.
Well, it is Funko.
Yeah. Josie, just sit there and watch Disney Junior, please.
It's the Funko Smuggler's Bounty box. And as she was saying, it comes every other month. And let's see what's in the box.
What's in the box?
What's in the box?
I have to do that every unboxing.
I know. That's
so,
funny.
what we got?
I see a t-shirt.
Oh, we do have a t-shirt. You've been getting some really good t-shirts,
Oh,
too.
there's a Kylo Ren on it. I see already. Let's see what...
Oh, you got Kylo.
Yes, I got Kylo. Let's see what kind of t-shirt we got going on here.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. It's Kylo Ren, and he's staring at
Darth Vader's mask.
That's pretty awesome. I like that. Very cool. And
That's really
cool.
It
says, "I will finish what you started." That's awesome. I like that.
Getting burnt? What, getting your arms chopped off and burned by lava?
Bringing order to the galaxy.
That's what I think I can.
Anyway. Oh, and we have a straw.
We have a straw.
I'm guessing that the straw goes with something.
That is in
It's
here.
in the
So
box.
let's see. What's in the box?
Well, first, let's see. We got what here? You know what? We didn't get a patch or any pins this time. That's a first.
Actually, you spoke too soon on the pen.
Oh, okay.
We did not get a patch this time, though.
So there is oh, look at that.
Oh, I know someone I think I know who may be getting that.
Look at that. Here is what the straw goes to. It is a Darth Vader cup.
Yeah, let's try to. Yeah, let me.
That's awesome.
That is so cute. It's a little Darth Vader pop, and he's doing like that. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. Yeah.
Awesome.
Oh my god.
I like a lot, and yes, I know who that belongs to.
It's Josie's.
No, absolutely not. That's Daddy's.
Actually, the notched part is supposed to go in.
I know that. I was just putting it there for safekeeping. And the next thing, okay, we do have a pin, as Cherry was stating. I spoke too soon on that. And it is a Darth Vader pin. Check it out.
Oh, that's cute.
That's
What's that say on the bottom there?
It's in writing that I can't understand.
Oh, Sith talk. Maybe?
Yeah, Sith talk.
It's in Sith talk. It's in Sithanese.
Sithanese. So I like the pen. And what else do we have?
Okay,
Here?
what we got?
We have a little bobblehead going on here. It is
It's
a
Darth
Darth Maul mini bobblehead. That's awesome. So there's the box.
Oh, he will amuse me.
That's gonna go. That's
He
gonna go
will.
downstairs
He
on our
will
display.
amuse me. I will walk by and flick
She
his
will
head.
bobble his head.
I will walk by and flick his head just to watch it like that.
Go, yeah. Let's see. Let's open him up.
I love Darth Maul. He's so cute.
He was the most underutilized.
And Ray Parker is a really nice
Most
guy.
awesome. Nope, I lost his head.
Don't lose your head. Wait a minute, that's Highlander.
That's funny. Let's see.
Well, unless you're Boba Fett.
Yeah, there he goes. Yeah. Well, the bobble part kind of.
Oh, I hope it didn't break
I
somehow.
hope it didn't break too.
I have to.
We'll figure that out. But that's the Darth Maul bobblehead. That's pretty
Oh
awesome.
my god, he's so cute.
He's gonna go on our display. We have another small bobblehead like that down there. That came in a previous box.
Wasn't it an
So
Obi-Wan or something?
yeah, it was something like that. So yeah,
They can duel each
they
other.
can duel one another. The next thing in the box,
The last thing in the box.
last thing
apparently.
in the box, is Count Dookie. I mean
Count
Dooku.
Dooku.
Count Dooku, and he's got his lightsaber going on there,
Oh, I like that.
and it's number 233,
Count Doo-Doo. And it's an exclusive to Smuggler's Bounty.
exclusive to Smuggler's Bounty. Says right on the
there,
box.
Right there.
Count Dookie.
Count Doo-Doo.
Well, Dookie, Doo-Doo, whichever you want to say.
Alright, so that was a really
Yeah,
awesome
that
box.
was an awesome box. I like the T-shirt.
Now explain if anyone who, because we've picked up a lot of new subscribers.
Right.
Explain how much you pay for the box and
So the box goes for $25.99 per box, and it comes every other month. And what I did is I paid for all of them for the entire year's subscription up front, but they've stopped doing that, and now it's only $25. It's $25.99 every 2 months.
Okay.
And they notify you when it's getting ready to be shipped, and then they take the money from your account, and then they send you the box.
Awesome.
So there it is. It's again Funko. You can search Smuggler's Bounty on Google, and you can find the site if you're interested in purchasing a Smuggler's Bounty box. We've had a number of good boxes
Yes.
that have come out, and we've been happy with what we've got, or at least I have.
And we get really good responses when we do unboxings
Yeah.
too, especially our Mickey's mystery box. As you know,
You get a spoonful of sugar with that, right?
the spoonful of sugar
Yep.
box. Yeah, I get the smallest subscription box. But Mickey's mystery box never fails to deliver, and
this one has been good
Smuggler's
too.
Bounty
Yeah.
has been fantastic
Yeah,
as well.
both of the mystery boxes that we subscribe to have always had more than the value of what you pay
Absolutely.
inside the box. So we've been really, really pleased with what we find when we open the boxes.
Absolutely. So if you know of any other like Disney or Star Wars or any sort of geekdom related like subscription boxes you would like to let us know about, please comment below and let
I
us
know
know what
there's
they
a
are.
Marvel box.
Yeah, there's a Marvel box.
Yeah, I know there's a Marvel box. I know there's several Disney boxes. I know there's several tiers of Disney boxes.
Yeah, of all the ones that I've researched, I really like Mickey's Mystery Box the best, but I'm open to, other suggestions. So
Now, from what I hear, the next Smuggler's Bounty box is indoor related.
Indoor. Oh, okay.
Indoor.
I was like, it's indoor.
Not indoors,
It's
but
like indoor
indoor.
related. I'm like,
Yeah, indoor
well,
related. So
they were indoors a lot.
perhaps there'll be a Scout Trooper. Perhaps there'll be a Ewok.
Teddy bear.
I didn't mind Wicket.
Teddy bear
Wicket was
picnic.
okay. Yeah.
Well, just.
But a Scout Trooper on a speeder bike would be awesome.
Or Leia on the speeder bike.
That would be good too.
That would be even better.
Yes.
Just Leia. So we're not going to give too much away before we wrap this up. We did finally get to see The Last Jedi.
Yes, we did.
I thought it was awesome.
So did
I
I.
cried some big tears. With certain every time Leia came on, I just wanted to cry.
But let's just be clear.
Leia is like straight
Wow.
up gangsta.
She is.
So, okay, spoiler alert, I'm getting ready to say it. When she Mary Poppins her butt back onto that ship
She
after
was
getting
Mary-
blown out into
She was
space.
Mary Poppins, y'all.
Oh,
That was like Yondu, only I didn't die.
yeah. I mean, dang.
Literally, it's like I'm gonna do a Yondu, but I'm not gonna die.
She's by far of the Skywalker legacy. She's the strongest
Yes.
and the most kick-ass. I mean,
Yeah,
end of story.
She's the one that has her stuff together the most.
Absolutely.
Because Luke is still a whiner. He's still a whiner. He's still a crybaby about mistakes that he made, and he failed to learn. He just went and
he kind of redeemed that at the end.
He redeemed
of the
it
movie.
at the end because that little trick he pulled was awesome. But
That's really cool.
But he was a whiner. He'd been sulking for 20 years.
Well, he'd been sulking before that. He was sulking when we first met him when he was talking about power converters.
Can we just say it? He's a sulker.
He's a sulker.
Yeah, he's a sulker.
I'm going to Tashi Station. That's some power converters.
So anyway.
Shut up. And Anakin, don't get me started. And her mom.
Well, part of it is Leia had a proper upbringing.
She did. She really did.
The Organas did her right.
Yeah, they really installed a sense of self and strength into her. That's my opinion.
And you know what, Leia? She
was the bomb.com, man.
She was Yondu.
Gangsta.
She was Yondu, only better.
Yeah. Well, he didn't die with the Mary Poppins thing. It was when he was out in space.
When he was out in space. That's why I didn't say she pulled a Mary Poppins. She pulled a Yondu, only didn't die.
But woman survived space. Getting blown up and being in space, and she put that finger out.
Well, she didn't get blown up. She was just the bridge was blown up.
Well, the bridge was blown up. She got
sucked
into space, but still.
And then she did what she did.
She's gangsta. She is a total gangsta.
And she was like, "Keep that, Luke.
Come on."
Right.
But yeah, we love the movie.
Yes.
But I can see where some fans were a little upset with how how events turned out and everything. Not to spoil too much, but I can see where they'd be upset.
But what we have to understand, it is a movie and it's entertainment.
Yeah.
So if you go into it understanding it's a movie and you want to be entertained, don't get too caught up in all of the, fanboy geekdom. Just go and enjoy the movie.
Yeah.
And if you go into it like that, you won't be disappointed. And that's my personal thought on it. And by the way, I really like how the director kind of shut some people up when they were talking about that's not what Luke did. Wasn't a force power, blah, blah, blah. And he went to the Jedi Path texts and showed them where that specific power was outlined in the Jedi texts.
And perspective.
And he shut them up. He said, "Shh."
Yeah, what's that sound?
You speak of things you do not know.
Right. But yeah, I'm just, and by the way, porg!
Porg.
I want a porg as a pet. They're so cute.
We do have a porg mug.
We have a porg mug.
Yeah, it came in Mickey's Mystery Box.
Mickey's Mystery Box. We got it setting up with our other...
With Chewbacca.
He's sitting with our Chewbacca stein.
Our Chewbacca stein.
But porg...
Is that anything like drinking stein?
No,
anyway,
no more Sylvester Stallone references. Okay. All right, so I guess that's it.
That's it. That's the box. It was a great box.
So trip vlogs will continue. The week that we're at Disney, I will not be releasing a trip vlog for obvious reasons because
we'll be at Disney.
Our Mac is here, and we'll be at Disney World.
We'll be filming new trip vlogs.
We'll be filming new ones. Yeah. So and then we're gonna be, maybe we might do maybe a live stream or something.
Well, we mentioned doing a live stream on our last trip, and we didn't get around to it. But I think we should totally do a live stream.
I agree.
From the park.
I agree. At least one day. So keep an eye out for that. You never know.
Yeah.
So for Josie,
Gooch,
I'm Cherry, and we are the Disney Beams. As we always like to end our videos with love, peace, rock, and a little bit of pixie dust.
See ya.
Bye, guys. Well, see you real soon.
All right.
Nope.